how to log into your Deliveroo account step by step. Here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get that Deliveroo application through your App Store or Google Play and simply open the application, or else you can simply get into your deliveroo.co.uk and get into its website, where you can simply tap on the login button on the top right. If you're on the application, you'll be able to get that login button on the very first page. Tap on it, then you'll be able to get into this login page, where all you need to do is simply add in your email address right here if you have created an account manually. But if you have created your account using any of those platforms like your Facebook ID, Google ID, or your Apple ID, you can simply tap on them in order to log into your account. And once you add in your email address and tap on continue, there will be a requirement of adding down the password of your account. Simply write down the password and you will successfully be able to log into your Deliveroo account like that. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.